What's up, guys, and welcome back to the vlog. Today I'm going to be doing something that is long overdue. I need to actually replace my shocks in my truck. I gotta go to Advance and get these shocks, and when I get back I'll show you how to install them.
So, like I said, pretty overdue on needing new shocks. You pretty much just drive down the road and the whole truck just like jumps up and down the entire time. It's basically like driving like this. So as you can see, pretty overdue. Let's get it done. So, we just got the old ones taken off. These are the old ones. I had to tear the boot off to get the top piece off. Probably should not be able to do that with shocks. So, we're going to put the new ones on. Got these ones from Advance this morning. I think it cost me like around $100 for both of them. They should be pretty good. Hopefully the ride is a whole lot better than the old shocks. So, I mean, I can't even compress these, so I'm pretty excited. So as you can see, got both of them installed, ready to go. God, that is crazy. Holy cow. That's wild. Alright guys, so I did the installation in the shocks. Rides 100 times better. Takes corners better. It just stands its ground pretty much. You know, I go over bumps and I don't catch air anymore, so I thought that was awesome. I mean, as you can see, I was able to compress them with my hands, which is not good, and they never actually even came back out. So, super pumped on that. I'll be able to pull my boat so much better now. You know, I hope you guys enjoyed. So, I'm getting ready to go to a concert with my girlfriend, and that's the main reason why I wanted to install the shocks today, is because I wanted it to be a better ride for us. So, I probably won't film any of the concert or any of the ride there or anything like that. So I appreciate you guys watching. Hope you guys come back for more.